हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अमन राउत एंड दिस इज माय सिस्टर मोनालिसा और आज के इस नए वीडियो में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानने वाले हैं मिजोरम के बारे में विद 10 इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स।
The name of the state derived from two words, Mizo, which means the name of the native inhabitants, Ram means land. Well, ऐसे ही interesting facts को जानने के लिए वीडियो को अंत तक देखें. So let's get started.
होम ऑफ मेनी डाइवर्स ट्राइब्स। एक दो नहीं, मिजोरम में कई जातियों के लोग रहते हैं। यस, दिस इज अ फैक्ट। इन टोटल देयर आर 16 ट्राइब्स रिसाइडिंग इन मिजोरम। There are 5 major tribes and 11 minor tribes residing in Mizoram. The name of those 5 major tribes are Lushe, Ralte, Poi, Phaite and Hamar.
बैम्बू डंक्स. पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बैम्बू का बहुत ज्यादा महत्व है, बट मिजोरम में इसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है क्योंकि इसे यूज किया जाता है एक ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म के लिए जिसका नाम है चेरा. So in this traditional dance form, the bamboo staves are kept in cross and horizontal forms on the ground. The male dancers move these staves in rhythmic beats, and the female dancers perform by stepping in and out of the bamboo blocks.
मिलुपुक, मिलुपुक यानी कि मौत का गुफा। पर इस गुफा को ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? Well, there's a very interesting but very sad story behind this cave. Milupuk is a cave located near the village of Mangte in Lunglei district. Well, this cave derived its name from 3 words. Mi, which means men, Lu, which means head, and Puk, which means skull. During the Great Famine, when there was a significant shortage of food and supplies, and the villages who were facing this scarcity were not allowed to enter any other villages, neither they were allowed to seek help from any of these villages. They took shelter in this cave and eventually died there in hunger. Later on, their remainings were recovered from this cave. That's how the cave received its name, the Cave of Dead.
World's largest family. आपके हिसाब से एक फैमिली में कितने मेंबर्स होने चाहिए? 3, 5 या 7? एक ऐसा परिवार है मिजोरम में जहां कुल 180 लोग साथ रहते हैं. Giona Chana is known for holding a world record of the world's largest existing family with 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughters-in-law and 33 grandchildren. The family is now living in Boktam village, Mizoram, India.
Pugzing Cave. Well, मिजोरम में सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट्स और इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स की कमी नहीं है. उन्हीं में से एक है ये पुगजिंग केव. दिस केव इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द लार्जेस्ट केव ऑफ मिजोरम, बट देयर इज समथिंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट दिस केव. दिस केव वाज बिल्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सिंगल हेयर पिन बाय अ मैन known as Moal Jawata. Moal Jawata was considered to be the strongest man of Mizoram at that point of time. And this conical shaped stone of Moal Jawata is known as Moal Jawata Stabriu, which you can easily find in Ropui village of Lunglei district, Mizoram.
Rats causing havoc. Well, चूहे अगर घर में घुस जाए तो सब कुछ बर्बाद कर देते हैं. ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ मिजोरम में. In 1959, Mizoram had to face Motam, a famine, which caused due to excess rat population. This occurred as the rats multiplied in response to the temporary windfall of seeds and leave the forest to forage and stored on grain when the bamboo seeds are exhausted, which caused devastating famine.
Ban on firecrackers. अगर आप पटाखों के शौकीन हैं, then Mizoram is not an ideal place for you. Yes, the government of Mizoram have decided to ban firecrackers in its state to combat air pollution. Every year during winter, this state suffers a significant amount in rising air pollution due to the crop cultivation known as jhuming, where a significant amount of crops are burned. To combat air pollution, the government have decided to ban firecrackers not only in Diwali but also in New Year and Christmas.
Biggest lake in Mizoram, करीब 800 मीटर लंबा और 700 मीटर चौड़ा. ये झील मिजोरम का सबसे लंबा झील है जिसका नाम पलक है. Palak Lake is located in the Saira district of southern Mizoram. It is said that the lake was created due to flood or earthquake.
लिटरेसी रेट. जब भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लिटरेसी रेट का बात कहा जाता है तो मिजोरम ऑलवेज टॉप्स द लिस्ट. Yes, this state tops the list in literacy rate in the entire northeast with a percentage of 91.3. The two major states which are just ahead of Mizoram according to the census report are Kerala and Lakshadweep.
Delectable food. अगर आप मिजोरम आए और वहाँ का खाना ट्राई नहीं किया तो क्या किया? Mizo cuisine is the traditional cuisine of the Mizo people. Some of the prominent dishes of Mizoram are kuat pita, which is a fried pita made using rice flour, jaggery and bananas. Mizo woksa is made with pork and baby spinach with oysters. Bai is another dish made with pork and spinach with bamboo shoots.
If you like our content,
Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.